Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about custom orders. Now on Etsy, custom orders and personalized orders are kind of lumped together, but in my mind a personalized order is something where someone chooses options that you have set up, they can choose from, and that's it. Whereas a custom order is when a customer contacts you and says, can you create this specific thing especially for me? Now, custom orders take more work because there's a little bit of back and forth with the customers. And on Etsy, you have to use the convo system. They might not be, it's a mess. Sometimes they don't get your messages and it can take time. And sometimes people are very demanding. I do want to say that if you ever get a customer that is demanding and picky and obnoxious right off the bat, just don't take the order. I also want to say that for custom work, you should not start doing work until you've been paid. And that's a deeper subject that you can get into with contracts and the whole thing. But for me, I don't do custom orders anymore because it's too much time. For me, it's too much back and forth. I do have some things where they have personalization and people can choose that, but I don't do custom where someone contacts me and says, can you do something specific for me? And that's, it's not going to happen. They do show a button on your shop homepage that says contact the seller about a custom order. If you want to turn that off, go to settings and options in your shop dashboard. You're going to scroll down to where it says custom orders and you're going to click disable. And I believe that it's enabled by default because Etsy does want you to do custom, but then you go down and save that page. And on the home page where it used to say contact about a custom order, that button will not be there. This question came up in my eShop success group and someone made the point, and this is true, that it won't stop people from contacting you and saying, can you do this? And that's fine. You can just say, I'm not doing custom orders right now, but it will stop people from clicking that button to contact you, and it'll cut down on a little bit of that. Don't be afraid to say, I'm sorry, I'm not doing anything custom right now. And if you do want to do custom orders, that's fine, but that's a different ball of wax and you have to be able to set limits for yourself and your customers. I think I'll do a more comprehensive video about that topic later, but for now, just know that if you do want to do custom work, don't do work before you're paid because people will take advantage of you and that's just the way it is. I learned that the hard way doing wedding cakes for 20 years. It happens a lot. So give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was helpful. Leave me any questions in the comments and I will talk to you later.